Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you in this video how you can fix error code drowned on Minecraft PS5. Guys, this is actually you can fix by using this method. First guys, restart your Minecraft and then you have to open the game and setting. You should be select your profile account. Under that, clear the account and sign in data by select the confirm it, and have to restart the game and sign in into your Microsoft account. You should be signed up to your account and start playing be getting this error, which is error code drowned, and you will be able to solve this error and just send your account and you will play this game. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. And your question down below, comment here.